Selling something complicated, like a full solar energy system, that's a huge challenge. So, how do you make it seem simple, make people want it, and most importantly, make it easy to buy? Today, we're going to break down the marketing pitch from a company called Horizon Traders and Solutions to see exactly how they do it. Okay, so every great pitch needs a hook, right? Something that grabs you right away. Let's look at how Horizon creates that instant connection by making a really big two-part promise from the get-go. So, first things first, let's meet the company we're looking at, Horizon Traders and Solutions. Even their logo tells a story. It's bright, it's got that sun over the globe thing going on. It immediately screams global sustainable energy. And this slogan, it's the key. Empowering you, empowering the planet. This is just brilliant. It connects a personal benefit, saving money on your electric bill, with a much bigger idea, helping the planet. It appeals to what's in it for you and what's in it for all of us. A personal win and a global win, all in one little sentence. All right, so they've got our attention. Now what? Well, the next step is to build interest by making it all understandable. With something like solar energy, that means taking all the complex tech stuff and just making it feel practical. And look how they do it. Instead of hitting you with a wall of technical jargon, they use this really clean, simple diagram. You can see the whole journey the energy takes, from the panels all the way to your house. It makes the whole system feel way less intimidating. And then they break that picture down into 4 easy steps. So panels make DC power, an inverter changes it to AC. That AC power runs your stuff, and if you make extra, it gets stored or sent back to the grid. Just like that, this really complex process suddenly sounds totally manageable. Okay, so now we get how it works. But the next big question is, who's it for? This is where Horizon broadens their appeal, showing they've got a solution for pretty much everyone. And they're not just aiming for one type of customer. Nope, they're going after the whole spectrum: agricultural, residential, commercial, and industrial. By doing this, they're basically saying, hey, no matter how big or small your project is, we're the experts who can handle it. And to make this crystal clear, they use visuals that speak directly to each group. You see this massive solar farm, and you think industrial. You see the diagram of the house, and you think residential. It's a super smart way to help you picture their solution in your own world. So, we're interested, but are we ready to buy? That's where desire comes in. How does Horizon make you really want what they're selling? Well, they focus on things that matter to everyone: quality, choice, and trust. This is a really smart play. They're basically saying, hey, we've teamed up with the best of the best. This tells you, the customer, that they've already done the hard work of vetting the technology. They're only offering stuff that's proven and reliable, which gives them instant credibility. And they don't just say it, they show it. When you see logos from big names like Jinko Solar and Growatt, they're borrowing the trust those brands have already built. So you're not just trusting Horizon, you're trusting this whole ecosystem of quality companies. Okay, let's recap. They've grabbed our attention, gotten us interested, and made us want it. What's the last piece of the puzzle? Getting us to act. And Horizon makes this part incredibly easy. And I love this slogan, your query, our solution. It's so direct, right? It's not buy our stuff, it's bring us your problem, we'll fix it. It turns the whole sales thing into a partnership where they're here to help. And check this out. This is so modern. Instead of making you fill out some long, complicated form, it's just a simple QR code. You scan it, and bam, you're in a WhatsApp chat. They've removed almost all the effort from that first step of reaching out. But hey, if QR codes aren't your thing, no problem. They've still got the classics: a phone number, an email, even a physical address. By giving you all these options, they're making sure anyone can get in touch however they prefer. The message is loud and clear. We're here, and we're ready to talk. So, what's the big takeaway from all this? When you're dealing with something super complex, maybe the best approach isn't to lean into the complexity. Maybe it's to deliver a message that's simple, clear, and empowering. Because when you do that, you can turn a piece of high-tech engineering into something anyone can get excited about.